By lowering that down, it helped me get access to these bolts. Uh-oh, that thing is braked. That's not good. We'll have to work on that. We just lost the bolt. First one. That is a bummer. I was hoping not to lose any bolts, but we did. That's how it goes. You can see where that one just snapped right off. That's always a good thing. But oh well. This one's really loose. All right, here's number 4. Third one broke off in there. Let's get this diff off. Whoa! So, I don't know if you guys can see that. This is just water sitting in the diff. You see that? It's water. Oh man, lots of water in there. But we'll get it cleaned up. We'll switch out the bearings because we just have to. Get all that dumping out. Doesn't smell too pleasant. Here's our bearing, gummed up. It's very rough. Other side looks about the same. We'll get those out of there. We're gonna take this whole thing apart because we're just gonna have to clean it out. Let's get these bolts in here. Not a healthy diff. I think it's actually just full of water. I don't think there's any oil in there. It's just running out at this point. I don't want to say oil. I don't think there's any diff fluid in there. There's our broken stud right in there. Not exactly what we were hoping for. Let's move that off to the side. There we go. Get our tools out of here. Get these rubber grommets out. These have a little tab that you can push on one side where they come out. Just gonna have to be gentle so you don't rip them. 2. I'm not lubricating them because they're just coming out just fine. Maybe. 3. And 4. All right, we'll take these grommets off. Potentially, I don't even know what these go to. What is this? Oh, this is for the air filter, the housing. 1, 2. Hey, look at that. We're free. Let's get the engine out of this. Right in here we got 1, 2, 3 holding the bracket on. That's holding the engine onto the frame. We've got the 2 brackets up front loosened up and ready to come off. Dirty. do you guys think that old stuff is? That's some sort of lubricant that dried up or what? All right, let's get these out of here. One on this side, orientated like that. Next one like this. Okay, so we got our brackets off the front top, the front off the rear, and then we'll need to get the bracket or the bolt and nut off of the bottom mount. And then we should be able to lift this motor out of the frame. How's that? No? How about that? Yeah? Okay, I'm reaching down here. I got my finger on the mount, nut, bolt, and it's spinning. And here it comes. A little bit of finger pressure. That's out. Let's see if we can push that out. Yep. Here it comes. I hope this is the last one. I think it is. And there it is. Put it over in the pile. Get that sleeve out. Got one more on this side. 2 sleeves out. We'll put it in the pile. Gotta be getting close. Right there. We got another bolt. Let's see if we can grab that. Whoa, baby's on there. Wow. Unreal. I'll give this some WD-40. I know 5 seconds isn't long enough, but nope. There's a ball bearing. We're going to put the Milwaukee on the charger. Let that battery charge up all the way and we're going to hit it again. I don't feel like messing with it with regular hand tools. We're back. I've got the Milwaukee charged up. Alright, so if this strips for some reason, it's not going to be a big deal. We're just going to hit it with everything it has. We're going to loosen that last bolt up that's holding the engine onto the frame. There we go. It's a spinner. There we go. Much better. I was still surprised that Milwaukee didn't take it off when it still had 2 bars left. So here's the last bolt and nut holding on the motor. Let's go ahead and put that in the motor mount pile. There we go. And we should be free here. There we're coming. You guys still see? Lift with your back. There we go. Here's the motor. It's out in one piece. Everything looks good on it. Everything looks good on the frame. We did snap that one bolt in the rear differential casing. So we'll work on getting that out. And that goes right down in here. We'll take these grommets out of the frame, and we're gonna get ready to clean this frame up, and we'll make it look brand new again. Still got to take the swing arm off, but I'm out of time for today, so I'm gonna head out. We'll be back again soon. Won't take as long this time to put out the next video, so thanks for hanging out today. I appreciate it. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and we'll see you in the next one as we keep tearing this down. Really, it's already tore down, so we're gonna take the swing arm off and we're gonna start rebuilding it from the ground up. All right, we'll catch you later. Thanks a lot. Bye.